Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2012 Mathematics Past Question 50. The probabilities that a man and his wife live for 80 years are 2/3 and 3/5 respectively. Find the probability that at least one of them live up to 80 years. Now, probability that the man lived for 80 years, is given as 2/3. That is, the man live. Now, probability that the woman lived for 80 years is given as 3/5. This for the human. Now, probability that the man will not live for 80 years will be equals to what? 1 minus 2/3, which is equals to 1/3. And probability that the human will not live for 80 years will be 1 minus 3/5, which is equals to 2/5. Now, to find the probability that at least one of them will live for up to 80 years, probability that one will live for 80 years is equals to probability that the man will live multiplied by what? The probability that the woman will live, then plus probability that the man will live multiplied by probability that the woman will not live, then plus probability that the man will not live plus probability that the human will live. So we have probability that the man will live multiplied by probability that the human will live plus probability that the human will live and the man will live and the human will not live plus probability that what? The man will not live and the human will live. Now this is equal to 2/3 multiplied by 2/5 plus 1/3 multiplied by 3/5 plus 2/3 multiplied by 3/5. Now that is equals to 2/3 multiplied by 2/5 will give us what? 4/15. 1/5 multiplied by 3/5 will give us 1/3, multiplied by 3/5 will give us what? 1/5, because this 3 we cancel this 3 here, so plus 1/5. Then 2/3 multiplied by 3/5 will give us what? 2/5. And the LCM here is what? 15. So we have 4 here plus 3 plus 3 plus 6, 3 times 5 into 15, 3 times 2 will give us 6, and this is equals to 13/15, and that is option D. 13/15 is the answer to this question. So since they said probability that at least one of them will live, we found probability that what? Both of them will live plus probability that only the man will live multiplied by probability that only the woman will die, and probability that only the man will not live and the human will live. We added them together and then we've got what? 13/15. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos in past questions.